Hello, good morning. This is Gabriel Alonso from the Adam Hall Group, and I'm here to present you the new LD Systems IMA series, our new installation mixing amplifiers. This is the first model of the series, and it's starting with 30 watt. So it has a transformer inside, so we offer 4 ohm, 100 volts and 70 volts. But the advantage is that you can select the low impedance and it bypass the transformer, so you have the best audio quality. So the design of the whole amplifier is very simple to use, centered with the master volume, and then we have these 2 microphone line inputs with higher priority than the music sources. And then we have this music source selector, very easy to use with touch panel here, and even including the Bluetooth module with version 4.1. As you can see in the rear panel, we just arrange everything from the highest priority to the lowest priority. So we have emergency line input with contact closure and level detection. Then we have 2 microphone line inputs with another contact closer to provide priority over the music. And then we have the music sources here. Also, there is an auxiliary output for external music on hold systems, or also some power subwoofer. So you can select here if you want to send the music or only or the full mix for the output. And then again, we remove the tone controls from the front panel and we put them in the rear panel. This is something you just need to use once, and then we can keep this front panel very simple. So the tone controls are here, and then again, we have the standby. This product has auto standby and you can disable it. If you enable it, after 20 minutes without any music or any signal, it will go into standby mode. And as soon as it detects some signal, it wakes up to reduce power. So thanks a lot for your attention, and if you want to have more information, just visit our website in www.ldsystems.com. Thanks a lot.